Lobbying, the legal form of bribery within our political system. I'm a corporation, I see a certain law going on the table and I want to influence that. So I pay certain politicians to influence the direction of that law. This is perfectly legal, and like I said, it's called lobbying. Now, the lawmaker, when receiving these bribes and passing certain laws that affect a certain corporation, are now well aware of how that law will affect this corporation. So, corporations, a lot of them tend to be public, and thus having stocks. So, being the wise lawmaker, I can take this foreknowledge of like, okay, we're going to pass this law that will influence this corporation. Thus, I can either buy or sell my stocks depending on how this new law will affect this corporation and make even more money off of it. Very wise, very smart, and I understand the allure of this. Right? It makes sense. If you know you can make money off of a certain decision that you know is going to come to pass, wouldn't you do the same? The problem is that both of these things are criminal activities. Lobbying is technically legal for whatever reason, but at its heart, it is bribery, which is illegal, bribing a politician to influence the direction of laws. And then to take this influence and benefit off of it before anybody else knows that this will come into effect is called insider trading, which itself is also illegal. Now comes tax season, right? Tax season's around the corner. You must pay your taxes or bad things will happen to you. Does that not sound familiar to you? It conjures up the word of extortion. So now we see that there's three things here, three simple examples of criminal activity, right? Bribery, insider trading, and extortion, and all three of which are big sources of revenue and funding for our government system. And people wonder why they say that our government is run by criminals. It's a big mafia. It appears to be, right? Running off of ill-gotten money through criminal activity. The more you know.